Hey y'all, so in today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I finesse this cute, low maintenance, neat hairstyle. I actually started working on an old twist style and I just re-moisturized my hair and twisted it up. I used some extra virgin olive oil and I used some Texture ID styling cream. For my nighttime routine, I usually just let my hair all down and I put my hair in a cute little bonnet like this one here. Or I just recently got some silk line caps in and I actually like wearing this. I love it, y'all. Like, if I was ashamed to wear my twist out in town, like I can put this on my head. But I gotta keep some hair out, of course, some kind of twist out, because I got a big forehead, so I need something to complement it. And I feel like these do the job. But see how cute this is? Like, I would wear this out in town. All right, if you're still interested on how I got this hairstyle, please stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. I feel like most people straddle the fence when it comes to rubber bands, but for this style particularly, I do like the rubber band method just because it makes it look neater. And for my rubber bands, I did soak them in olive oil just so that they wouldn't be as dry going onto my hair. Whenever I get toward the ends of my hair, I do like to wrap them around my finger to kind of get them a little cool. That way I don't have to twist them all the way down. Also guys, please look over my nails. I know I need to fill in, but shops are closed right now. So my only option is to take them off, but y'all didn't come on here for a nail tutorial anyway. Let me just go ahead and apologize for this extra large pimple y'all are about to see on my face. This is not my season. It's not my time to shine. I apologize. I wouldn't focus so much on making sure your parts are straight because the only part that I made sure was straight was my middle part.